Alright, I got here a Mazda MX5. I think it's like a 21. Customer complaint is all the lights are on. Now, I don't think I can fit in this thing. Ouch. Wow, it's hot in here. Let's see, go more back. And is the key in here? Let's just see. Well, it's a stick shift. No, so it's not in there, the key. Alright, I gotta go find the key for this. Alright, I got the key for it. Alright, so you said that the car starts and drives. I gotta get my foot on the clutch. Okay. So we got all the lights on, power steering malfunction. Yeah, that's not good. And he said his problem is that the roof doesn't come down. So it also has a code for that. So let me do a scan. See right here, they give you a key that's not cut. The auction does this a lot. But I found in the glove box the actual cut key. Alright, yeah, it's 21. Okay. See, we got the ABS light, forward smart city brake support, engine light, front camera sensor system malfunction. I'll just make a report. Wow, 6,802 miles. Alright, so let's see if we can find the starting point. So we got, in the BCM, lost comm with anti-lock brakes. In the instrument cluster, we have lost comm with anti-lock brakes. Vehicle speed, which is coming usually from the anti-lock brake module. So we're missing communication to the anti-lock brake system. Now let's actually go back. Yep, ABS is grayed out. So that's what we're going to chase first. These codes, half these codes come on because of something else. Like instrument cluster will say lost comm with anti-lock brake and vehicle speed. Electric vacuum pumps say lost comm with anti-lock brakes. And some will say invalid data received from ECM. That just means because of the code in the ECM. So we're just going to look at a diagram, find power grounds to this ABS module, see if we got it. Let me get a diagram. I gotta charge extra for these low cars. They kill my back. Oh boy. Now let's pull up a diagram for the brakes. Alright, I'm gonna have to assume this is it. This DSCHUCM, right rear of engine compartment. I don't know what that stands for, but we're gonna assume it's it. Yeah, because ABS DSC fuse. So we got had at all times a 30 amp fuse and a 50 amp fuse. Then we have a SRS1 fuse. Alright, I would assume maybe it's combined with the SRS. A stop fuse, which is probably for the brake lights. Yeah, a meter fuse goes to the cluster. Okay. So step number one, and we have 2 grounds over here. These go to the wheel speed sensors. We're just gonna go chase right here these 2 fuses first, and this ignition fuse. So right there is the ABS module. box is going to be here. Right here, ABS, DCS fuse. It says 50 amp. It looks good from the cover, but sometimes you can't see. I'll pull it off in a second. Let me just check the other one. Oh, so there's a DCS-M and a DCS-S. Which one was that? That's the M. So where's the S one? Oh, it's right next to it, 30 amp. So here's the other one, this 30 amp fuse, and it's missing. See that? We got a missing fuse. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there is supposed to be a 30 amp fuse. I'm gonna put a fuse in there, see what happens. All right, so we're gonna try to put this fuse in right here. 4 up. All right, it's the wrong type, whatever. It's a low profile. Let's see if the lights are gone. All right. Oh, I forgot. As Erico says, the millennial anti-theft. All right, we got much less lights. All right, let's do a new scan. All right, we got comp to the ABS. He was sitting on the roof, so I just pushed this button. And it's opening up. So I guess we fixed the problem. Alright, let me just see what these codes are. Wait, so link keep assist is flashing. Something's flashing. Alright, I'm just clearing all the codes. Alright, so we sort of have a clear tree. I mean, the brake light's just because the actual brake light's on. And my seatbelt's not on. Let's make sure this thing closes. Am I opening it or closing it? I'm not sure. Oh, so the beeping was from the roof. Yeah, alright, I think we're good. Alright, so sometimes 100 codes and all the lights is something as simple as a missing fuse. Alright, thanks for watching.